In situ composite pipeline repair solution is a unique technology to repair all kinds of pipeline defects like leaks, fittings, dents, and other corrosion related issues. After successful experimentation in the lab, this technology was to be tested at an industrial site. The site that was selected had a leakage in a pipeline, which was a 6-inch diameter cast iron pipe having around 3 bar pressure. A shutdown was requested for around 5 hours as we needed the pipeline to be completely dry in order to carry out the repair. The first step is preform preparation. Having decided the day of the repair, a preform was prepared in our lab the previous day for a 6-inch diameter pipeline. Preform is a pre-hardened FRP section which would be placed directly over the leak in order to provide more strength. The second step is surface preparation. At the site, the pipe was cleaned using brushes for removing dirt. Hammering was done in order to remove the rust. Buffing wheel was used to smoothen the surface. The third step is surface leveling at dents and pittings. Having done the surface preparation, a layer of epoxy was applied on the surface near the leak to account for the dents and pittings so that the epoxy can fill them. The fourth step is sticking the preform. Epoxy was applied on the preform and it was then put right above the leak. A support was tied around the preform to let it stick to the surface of the pipe. The fifth step is wrapping of the FRP. While the preform was being applied, parallelly the glass fiber was applied with 10:1 ratio of epoxy and hardener. This FRP must be immediately wrapped around the pipe as the curing process starts as soon as the hardener is mixed with the epoxy. The support for the preform was removed and the FRP was wrapped around the pipeline. As per the thickness of the pipe, 4 wraps of the FRP was done. The final step is the curing of the FRP. The wrapped FRP was now left to cure. It ideally takes around 6 hours for the curing to be completed. However, a duration of 3 to 4 hours is enough to restart the water flow in the pipe as the FRP would have hardened enough to bear a 3 bar pressure. The pipe was checked 20 days after the repair and it was working perfectly without any leak. We would like to thank JUSCO for providing us an opportunity to pilot this project.